Hello, my name is Emma Strope. Today we're going to be talking about birds. This is a very controversial topic today at YHS, York High, and today we'll be talking to some students on their views. Traveling around YHS, and here we have some fellow supporters. Look how, she doesn't speak broke. Dang right.
Do you speak broke?
No.
Do you believe in birds?
Yeah, I believe she's an idiot.
Do you believe in birds?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Oh, what a lovely day it is.
Do you believe in birds?
I don't believe that birds are real.
Fellow IB kids, smart kids,
Do we believe that birds are real?
No.
Of course not. Amen.
they know what's up.
Hello. Today we're at York High School discussing the issue of whether birds are real or not. Now, what could they be other than real? Drones. They're drones and they're spying on you. Here we have a student named Brody Smith, and we're going to ask him his opinion.
Here we have a student named Brody Smith, and we're going to ask him his opinion on the issue.
Brody, how are you doing today?
Good.
Good, that's good. All right, so do you believe in birds?
No.
And why is that?
Because my friends told me they're drones.
And you believe what your friends tell you?
Yes, because whenever a bird poops, it's just oil dropping out of it.
Amen. Thank you, fellow believer.
Birds is your Conrad is working.
I do believe in birds.
What? Hey, you. Do you believe in birds?
Hello, my name is Sarah Saunders. I strongly do not believe in birds.
Amen. Do you believe in birds?
What?
Do you believe in birds?
Birds?
Birds.
Yes, I believe in birds.
Idiot. Is you in here? I said birds aren't real. Amen. Antonio, have you changed your stance on birds yet?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
You're absolutely positive?
Absolutely.
You're positive that you don't believe in birds?
I'm positive that I do believe in birds.
Birds aren't real, just like Joey Supreme.
What?
Do you believe in birds?
Not now, because you opened my eyes. I'm
Good. Yes. Yes. Good answer. Senora Hicks, do you believe in birds? Do you believe in birds? Birds. See? Birds? Birds. See?
Hello. Today we are venturing out into the hallways of YHS. There's an American flag because we support America, but not when they give us fake birds. This is Winter Jones from YHS.
Hey, I'm great. How are you?
I'm
Great.
absolutely swell. Thank you for asking. Now, I have a very important question. Do you believe in birds?
I do.
Why is that?
Because, what?
She doesn't know the facts. Owen and Trevor Matthews.
Do you believe in birds?
No.
He knows. We have a question for you.
Do you believe in birds?
The birds are real? Yeah, do you think that they're real?
Why?
I mean, because I see them every day. But
They're drones.
they're drones.
Tyler.
I don't like this already.
Do you believe that birds are real?
That's a no.
We are going to speak to the SRO of YHS, Mrs. Kellum. Hi, Miss Kellum.
Hello, ladies. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
It's great. So we're wondering how you feel about birds.
Birds?
Birds.
You mean like what? Like the drones?
Like the drones?
Yeah.
Little government drones that look like they call them birds, but they're
You heard it here first. Hey, do you guys believe in birds?
Birds? Dude, those things are fake as hell. No. Have you ever seen a baby pigeon? Not real.
What a real example.
My name is Emma Strope from Birds Aren't Real, Virginia. Stay woke and just remember where you came from. That's the way the cookie crumbles.